Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of kiss. Kissing is a touch of the lips. For example, a quick kiss on the cheek. The second definition of kiss. A light touch against another ball. For example, he lightly kisses my forehead and we make our way upstairs. American pronunciation. Kiss. Kiss. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Kiss. Say. Kiss. Kiss means act of kissing. Kiss. Kiss. Kiss origin. Old English Sissen verb of Germanic origin, from Old English. It is related to Dutch kussen or German kussen. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. I loved you that day you first kissed me. Now, repeat after me. I loved you that day you first kissed me. The second practice. He lightly kisses my forehead and we make our way upstairs. Now, repeat after me. He lightly kisses my forehead and we make our way upstairs. Visual representation of kiss. Kiss means kissing is a touch of the lips.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.